Hello YouTube, Dandelion tea, useful properties and reception rules. The nutritionist and therapist spoke about the beneficial properties of dandelion tea, as well as how to prepare this healing drink correctly. Positive effects from taking such tea. Reduces the processes of swelling and fermentation in the intestines. Stimulates appetite, like all bitterness, due to the activation of bile altitude. Stimulates the production and secretion of bile. Stimulates the pancreas. Improves the condition of the nervous system. Soft diuretic, removes sand from the kidneys. Activates the work of the intestine and helps with constipation. Shown to allergies, if there is no allergy to dandelion. Dandelion tea is not recommended for exacerbation of problems with the gastrointestinal tract, gastritis, duodenitis, colitis, stomach ulcer. For gallstone disease, we use with caution. With movable stones, tea is contraindicated. Features of the reception. You can pregnant and lactating. Take 1 3 times a day 30-40 minutes before eating, as tea awakens digestive juices and causes appetite. At first, if there's a strong stagnation of bile, you may be a little sick, there may be a relief of the chair. So the bile leaves. Dandelion flowers can only be collected away from the tracks, roads. Before use, you can rinse in hot water. Ideally, we collect flowers early in the morning. Pour a handful of flowers with water 500 to 600 milliliters of 80 degrees and insist 10 minutes in the teenage thermos. You can drink such tea with honey, the choleritic effect will be more pronounced. Flowers can be dried and harvested for yourself for some time. We dry in the shade, in a well-ventilated place. We store in paper, fabric packages. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.